Welcome back to our channel, fellow food enthusiasts. Today, we are taking a delightful journey into the world of Italian gelato, and we have some surprising unknown facts to share with you. Get ready to scoop up some knowledge and indulge your senses. Let's jump right in. Hey there, ice cream aficionados. Thanks for joining us today as we uncover some fascinating facts about gelato. This frozen treat has captured hearts around the world with its creamy texture and intense flavors. So, grab a spoon, sit back, and prepare to be amazed. Ancient origins. Did you know that gelato has a history that stretches back over 2,000 years? It's true. The concept of freezing sweet treats dates back to ancient China, but gelato, as we know it today, can be traced back to ancient Rome. Emperors like Nero would send runners to collect snow from the mountains, which was then flavored with honey and fruit juices, creating an early form of gelato. Difference makers. Now, here's a scoop of knowledge for you. Gelato is often compared to traditional ice cream, but there are some key differences. Gelato is churned at a slower speed than ice cream, which results in less air being incorporated into the mixture. This makes gelato denser and creamier, with a more intense flavor. Additionally, gelato is typically served at a slightly higher temperature than ice cream, allowing it to melt quickly on the tongue for a burst of flavor. Butter versus cream. Have you ever wondered why gelato tastes so indulgent yet feels lighter on the palate? Well, the secret lies in its composition. While ice cream is made with a higher percentage of butterfat, gelato is crafted using more milk than cream. This lower fat content not only gives gelato its smooth and silky texture but also allows the flavors to shine through, creating a truly heavenly experience. Artisanal craft. Did you know that making gelato is considered a true art form? In Italy, there are specialized schools where gelato makers train for years to master the craft. These artisans pay meticulous attention to the quality of ingredients, the balance of flavors, and the perfect texture. It's a labor of love that ensures every scoop of gelato is a masterpiece. Beyond traditional flavors. While classic gelato flavors like chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry are undeniably delicious, the world of gelato offers a vast array of unique and inventive flavors. From balsamic vinegar and olive oil to rosemary and basil, gelato makers love to push the boundaries and surprise taste buds with unexpected combinations. So, don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone and explore the adventurous side of gelato. International Gelato Festival. Imagine a gathering of gelato enthusiasts, master gelato makers, and countless delicious flavors all in one place. That's the International Gelato Festival. This annual event takes place in various cities around the world, celebrating the art and passion of gelato making. Attendees can indulge in countless gelato flavors, learn from the experts, and even vote for their favorite creations. And that's a wrap on our video exploring the unknown facts about gelato. We hope you've enjoyed this cool and creamy journey, and perhaps you've discovered some new reasons to love this frozen delight.